7 AI side hustles that actually work in the USA in 2026. Imagine you could make extra cash in 2026 using only a laptop, internet, and free AI tools. No need for coding, no pricey courses, no business degree required. Just use practical skills businesses and individuals are willing to pay for. Here's the bright side. AI has created opportunities rather than wipe them out. However, there is a catch. Many folks spend ages researching side hustles or dive into a bunch of ideas without sticking with one. In this video, I'm going to share 7 AI side hustles that are thriving in the USA right now. For each one, I'll cover how difficult it is, what you'll spend to start, the process involved, an example from real life, the income potential you could see. Stick around for the end, because the top side hustle brings together multiple AI skills that businesses want. Let's dive in. The problem. When people hear about earning money with AI, they often stumble into two common pitfalls. The first one is thinking AI will handle everything automatically. The second one is thinking they need serious tech skills to be competitive. Both are misconceptions. AI is just a tool. Its real value is determined by how you utilize it. Those making money with AI aren't always the brightest, they just solve problems faster. That's what these side hustles are all about. The solution. Rather than aiming to build a billion-dollar company, focus on something more straightforward. Identify a problem. Use AI to help resolve it. Get paid for your help. Then, rinse and repeat. Let's check out 7 opportunities that follow this exact approach. Side hustle number 7. AI resume optimization. Difficulty, easy. Startup cost, free. Every year, millions of Americans are job hunting. However, many resumes don't pass the first screening. This is where AI steps in. Tools like ChatGPT can help with improving resumes, crafting cover letters, summarizing LinkedIn profiles. For instance, consider a fresh college graduate searching for marketing positions. Their resume lists tasks but lacks clear achievements. Using ChatGPT, you assist in rewriting those points to emphasize strong, results-oriented statements. Realistic income potential. Beginner, $20, $50 per resume. Intermediate, $100, $300 plus monthly. It's not a fortune, but it's a solid starting point. Side hustle. AI product descriptions. Difficulty, easy. As startup cost, free online retailers require a lot of product descriptions. The challenge? Writing hundreds of them takes a lot of time. Think of an Etsy seller with 150 offerings. They've uploaded photos but still need those descriptions. With ChatGPT, you can quickly draft descriptions and refine them afterwards for accuracy. Realistic income potential. Beginner, $50, $200 monthly. Intermediate, $300, $1,000 plus monthly. Businesses get to save time. You add value. It's a win-win. The next side hustle is something every local business needs, yet many owners lack time to do. Side hustle. 5. AI social media content. Difficulty, easy. Startup cost. Free businesses understand they should keep posting on social media regularly. But guess what? They're busy running their operations. Using ChatGPT and Canva, you can help produce content ideas on the captions, content schedules, promo graphics. For example, a neighborhood coffee shop wants to post often, but only manages a couple each week. You can help generate a whole month's worth of content in advance. Realistic income potential. Beginner, $100, $500 monthly. Intermediate, $1,000 plus monthly. It's not about being a social media guru. It's about helping businesses maintain consistency. Our side hustle. 4. AI thumbnail design. Difficulty, easy to moderate. Startup cost. Free, every YouTube creator craves more clicks. Thumbnails are extremely significant in this regard. Today, tools like Canva simplify thumbnail design. Picture a small YouTuber who uploads 8 videos monthly. They don't have the hours to spend on designing thumbnails. Your service is where they need help. Realistic income potential. Beginner, $50, $300 monthly. Intermediate, $100, $1,500 plus monthly. A few recurring clients can significantly boost earnings. Side hustle number 3. AI digital products. Difficulty, moderate, and startup cost, free to low. This opportunity stands out because you're not always exchanging time for money. You create once and sell multiple times. Some examples include business templates, checklists. Imagine making a straightforward budgeting planner with ChatGPT and Canva. You upload it to a marketplace. If it resonates, it can keep raking in sales well after it's made. Realistic income potential. Beginner, $50, $300 monthly. Intermediate, $500, $2,000 plus monthly. Success isn't guaranteed, but the scalability is appealing. Retention hook. We're now at the top 2 side hustles. These have some of the strongest long-term demand as we approach 2026. Side hustle number 2, AI video creation. Difficulty, moderate. How startup cost. Low video content is still king on the internet. Businesses get it. Creators understand it. Marketers are aware of it. The challenge? Creating videos is time-consuming. Tools like Pictory assist in converting articles into videos, blog posts into videos, scripts into videos. For example, a business posts a blog every week. You convert those articles into engaging short videos for social media. Realistic income potential. Beginner, $100, $500 monthly. Intermediate, $1,000, $3,000 plus monthly. The demand for videos isn't about to fall off anytime soon. Side hustle no 1. AI freelancing services. Difficulty, moderate. Startup cost, free to low. This is our top choice because it encompasses everything we've covered. Rather than focusing on a single service, you create a small AI-driven service business. For instance, you might offer social media content, product descriptions, video production, blog articles, marketing collateral. Picture a local realtor needing social media posts, listing descriptions, and email content. Instead of hiring multiple specialists, they hire you. And you utilize AI to complete the tasks efficiently. Cows. Realistic income potential. Beginner, $200, $1,000 monthly. Intermediate, $1,000, $5,000 plus monthly. Results vary widely. But this side hustle offers flexibility and several growth avenues. Steps to get started. Curious about how to kick things off? Here's a straightforward roadmap. Step 1. Pick one side hustle. Not 7, just 1. Master the basics with free AI tools. Produce 3 to 5 samples. Create a simple profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Start reaching out to potential clients. Your goal isn't perfection. The aim is to build momentum. Result. Visualize where you might be in 6 months. Maybe you've wrapped up your first freelance task. Maybe you've received your first online payment. Perhaps you've built a small income stream. What matters more than the amount is what it symbolizes. Once you prove you can earn online, your confidence shifts. No more asking, can this actually work? Instead, you'll begin wondering, how far can I take this? Now that's a great question. CTA. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these AI side hustles are you keen to explore? Resume optimization, social media content creation, thumbnail design, digital products, video creation, or AI freelancing? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to AI Profit Lab for more actionable AI income strategies, beginner-guided tutorials, and realistic ideas for making money online with AI. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.